Tired of your Coursera profile looking like a blank placeholder? Let's fix that in under a minute. A profile without a photo feels a bit like showing up to a networking event wearing a paper bag over your head. Instructors and peers just see a generic silhouette or a random letter. It doesn't help you build trust or recognition. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through logging in, finding the right settings, and uploading a clear photo. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll have a professional-looking profile ready to go. All right, first things first. Let's log into your Coursera account. Head over to Coursera.org and sign in with your usual email and password. This part is pretty straightforward. Now, here's what I want you to look for. In the very top right corner of the screen, you'll see either your name or a single initial, like an A if your name starts with that letter. Go ahead and click on that. That little area is your personal profile menu. From that drop-down menu that appears, you're going to select Settings. It's usually right there near the bottom of the list. Click that, and it will take you to your account settings page. This is the control center for everything about your profile. So now we're in the settings. Look for the section that shows your current photo area. It might be a picture you already have, or it could just be a gray avatar placeholder. Hover your mouse directly over that area. You should see a small prompt or button appear that says Change Photo. Click on that. Now, a file browser window will pop up. This is where you pick the perfect image from your computer or phone. I'd recommend using a clear, well-lit headshot. Nothing too busy in the background. Just a friendly, professional photo that makes you easily recognizable. Select the image file you want and click Open or Choose. Once you've selected your image, you might see it appear as a preview. Before you walk away, look for the blue Save button, or a button that says Save Changes at the bottom of the section. Click that. This final step is crucial because without saving, your new photo won't actually appear on your profile. And that's it. Your profile is now personalized and much more inviting. So in just a few clicks, you've gone from a faceless placeholder to a real, recognizable person. Instructors and classmates will actually be able to put a face to your name during discussions and group work. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big difference. Thanks for following along, and happy learning.